It's like I used to pay rent, man.
Yo, it wasn't nice back then.
We're rolling.
What do you mean we're rolling?
Does everyone know they were rolling?
Okay, guys, silent on set. Donkey.
English. No, we're drinking it, bruh.
Ah, wait, Tula. Sec. This guy's black.
It's spilling.
What?
Like I
Ale, weba nigga ma.
Jesus is Lord.
Yes, he is.
I love him so much.
I love him so.
No, he said Jesus is lost.
He said Lord.
Oh.
Anyway, MicroWave boys, episode 55. Hit him with it. Let's go. Whoa. And obviously we're gonna kick it off with some sad news because kick it off, get it? Kick it off with sad news because Wenger is leaving Arsenal, guys, after 23 years. Wenger's yes, a sneaker. Yeah. Why did you eat?
But nah.
Oh,
You just burp.
yeah.
Yeah.
Is
Is that also how long it's been since you guys last won the league?
Oh.
23 years.
Now that's Gaxen.
I cried
what?
when Sir Alex walked in that pitch for the last time.
Did you cry?
He.
Oh man, I
He,
was like,
nigga.
what did you say?
He, nigga. Actually, and now my nigga Sir Alex is in prison, is in hospital recovering.
Oh yeah, no.
Brain
Alex.
surgery. Maybe next week, we don't know. We're going to Peel there in
Which Alex?
Manchester.
Yo,
Hopefully not.
this guy just got a new 2-bedroom spot or what?
I went to go see his house actually on Saturday.
Give him.
I remote to get here. On a driver, a pagabula garage.
Parking a car. He's parking his own car in the garage.
Abula, this is my garden. Get him
Oh,
Does he have furniture?
What's that? The network is going down. Stuff is still coming.
Yeah.
The bed was. I saw the bed. My boy is sleeping. Nice. I saw those grass. Did I tell you guys about the garden, man?
Yeah, the grass.
And then you disturb me with
There's grass.
There's grass.
Also, like cack furniture here.
There's a nice big place. You can ballroom dance in there.
Yeah.
Which we did. We ballroom.
Yeah.
The guy's ballroom. Why'd you take a video?
Nah?
You know.
I guess.
Some things, you know, they just it's for the experience.
Yeah.
My favorite rapper on earth.
Oh, he's amazing, this guy.
Absolutely, just
Also known as.
also known as.
Also known as.
So as you guys know, of course, AKA put it out to his fans and said, "Hey guys, I'm dropping a new album. I'm gonna need you all to help me with the
Artwork,
the
yeah.
artwork." And he said, "Whoever wins this gets to come and work for me
Okay.
every day. Watermelon, every day."
Everyday watermelon.
Every day watermelon.
I seriously did it.
But the raw watermelon, not the drink.
What?
You just get like watermelon.
Some of these artworks, ish.
So it started off, so it was cool. People were inspired. All the designers came out
Thank
of
you
their
so much,
numbers.
AKA
Look at all these.
Some
Some of them were. I mean, some of them were very dark, but also touched my blood. They got a brief of what to do.
They forgot to pray.
Something.
Did you choose
No.
any
Oh.
of these?
He chose one.
No, listen. So the plot twist is after everybody entered.
Wait,
Whoa!
some of these are dark, man.
Whoa! Touch my blood.
Yo, people went deep. Why is he bleeding in every album cover? That's why he said, this
He
is
says because they must touch his blood.
this is too much.
Everyone was like, touch my blood. So
What is
What
this
an
one?
It's a
SCP
fingerprint,
as
that's
hell
cool.
is this?
That's cool.
What's a fingerprint?
Yeah. The winner is Don Design, basically. Basically, he said, yeah, I see that you guys entered this competition, but I'm going to use my guys. That's okay.
So,
No, he said, thanks for entering, guys, but I always had a winner. Always. So it was like, I always knew what I wanted, and this guys, people submitted every day. He's like, give me a few more hours. Yeah, send. People are sending. People are like designing. And he says, yeah, no, I'm just gonna use my
Wait,
guy.
so is Dot Design getting a promotion? It doesn't even work.
No, yeah, he said, I'm gonna use my own guy. He said, yes, thanks, but no thanks.
People are throwing.
everyone thinks designers are just some dude who play with Photoshop every day. Look at the winning cover, guys, at the end of the day.
This is what won.
When it's all said and done, and you're picking guys up, oh, shut up for this one, oh, shut up for this one, and then all you have to do is just turn down the lighting. That's all I have to do, brightness. Remove brightness, log out, submit anything. No one saw this shit coming. It's not fair. Yeah, basically just
right now.
here's what, just turn down the lights, and then make us.
Make the background red.
Yeah, please.
The red, that is red, and then
this is us.
it's cool.
I wonder
Can you
if
see my
I
beard?
hope you can leave us talking like this for a bit. I want this whole insert to be like this now. Like,
No,
Doc.
that guy was putting angels and was the.
People are putting blood. He didn't want blood. guys.
Nigga, people are coughing blood today. They logged on. They said this nigga. It told us
And
to put Michael Jackson on the camera. And then all he did was dim the lights. Oh no!
Yes.
It's but apparently he's still going to give people internships.
No, but you know what kills
so
me?
that's still cool. But
What
it's
kills me
just-
is
so
like
many people ended, man. Some guy put him underwater.
yeah, put you underwater with the blood. But you know what
Hey,
hurts me?
hey, I'm sure you were scared of some of these images.
You know what hurts me a lot, nah? Is that like his response to everything when everyone was outraged? He's like, yeah, I gave him a shot, you know, I retweeted the shit. It's basically like that exposure term. Yeah. Yeah, you can do it, but you're doing it for exposure.
Oh, yeah.
Basically.
He didn't follow his own brief.
Yeah, he didn't
At
follow
all, man.
He didn't follow
It's
his
so
own
frustrating.
brief.
Everyone was going to send it to except him.
You know what? You know how this gets funnier? If Casper asks his friends to design the cover, I think we'll see some real comedy there. Over to Parliament, where the president wasn't done. Somebody interrupted
What
him.
happened? What happened?
You know, why people are so happy I got Cyril Ramaphosa that finally we have a guy who's just like super understanding and knows how to say please and thank you.
And then this happened.
More and more countries around the world are embracing a national minimum wage. They are embracing it, including developing economies. You look at Brazil, you look at a number of countries in Southeast Asia, and shut up, you stay and listen.
Oh!
Around the world.
Whoa!
I want you to shut up. I really do want you to shut
Honorable
up.
President.
Because
Order. Honorable members.
continues to make a noise and is not
Order, honorable members.
No
Say,
protocol,
but
no
shut
point
up.
of order, just shut up.
Shut up.
Like I said, it was part of his speech.
Yeah.
You look at
And
the
it carried on flowing,
communities in the.
Didn't even look at him,
you
he pointed
look
at him like
at- you
this,
look
shut
at
up, stay
Shut up.
Whoa!
That's how they used to tell me to keep quiet in class.
That's
People just
ultimate.
shut up. They knew my voice was coming from this area. Because they have to say it 25 times in one class. They say, Sipo, shut up.
Is this allowed in Parliament? Like, are you allowed to do that?
He's the president.
Yeah, but is it allowed?
Just shut up.
That other guy in America just
I
tweets.
feel offended.
The
I'm serious.
other guy in America just tweets people's business. He doesn't care. While they're in the meeting, Trump just takes his phone and fuck this meeting. And fuck these guys in this meeting.
Wasn't he tweeting that with bombs the other day? He's like, yeah, we're
He's
thinking
like,
of bombs.
Bombs are coming.
Yeah, we're
He's
thinking
like,
about sending bombs. Yeah.
We're brainstorming about how we're going to send bombs to you right now.
Yeah. Okay, so this
Hey, sip color.
talking about
Money,
people
money,
talking about people saying
money.
outrageous things. Here is what
Mzwakele,
yo.
Mzwake Mbuli. Are
What?
they related to Robert? what?
So Mzwaki Mbuli is suing Google.
Ukugu.
Google.
Ukugu.
Google.
Roll the clip.
Roll the clip. I like it. Who is Google?
Because Mzwaki was declared
Who
the enemy of the
asked,
state.
who is
So
Google?
Who is Google? Is Google Hitler? Where is Hitler? Is Google Mussolini? Where is Mussolini? Is Google Slobodan Milosevic of Yugoslavia?
Hey!
Who is Google? I'm saying I'm not afraid of any name that you can dangle here and bring before me. Even if you were to place me in a game reserve or zoo and place lions here, I won't die screaming and folding my arms. Who is Google?
Who is Google?
First of all, I don't know if Mzwaki is talking about Google or Google.
No, I thought you were talking about Ukugu.
There's some girl named Google Mzwaki, and he's taking it to the station.
Oh, maybe there's a Google that works at Google.
Yeah.
Or is it Google?
Everyone's asking at Google. Google, is this? Do you know this
Who
Mzwaki?
is Google? You know what kills me is the report at the end. He was trying his best. He tried his utmost best.
Woo! You just repeated what the nigga said. Yeah, nothing else.
Who?
Indeed.
But wait,
Who
my
is Google?
My question is, can I answer it? You can go ahead, answer. Say hi.
Loudspeaker.
Say hi. Put it on speaker. Say hi.
Hello? Dada. I'm shooting. We'll talk later. Ding.
Why is Mzwakhe so upset?
Apparently, when you search his name on Google, he comes up as some HIV positive guy.
Yeah.
So he sees Google is making him
HIV positive.
HIV positive. And he's obviously not down for.
No, but that's
He's
enough.
obviously not down with all that jazz.
That is enough reason to sue.
So he's taking. So who's? But he's doing again. Google is confused.
Yeah.
Google or Google?
Yeah, is it?
Some girl named Google out there is like, Kenna, what do you say? Nah, give me some Zwaken, nah. Nah, give me some Zwaken. I was going, Google, one thing. One thing, Google. Mama said, nah. Yeah, it's very interesting how the lawsuit is going to go in court when Zwaken Pool is saying, when he's giving his opening statement, they say I'm HIV positive. Positive. Tim. It's gonna be the longest court battle of all time. You'll never get anything done. Ah, this nigga is gonna speak again. Good morning, Your Honor. Honor. Nah. I get it here today. Oh, day. Hey. Court is adjourned again. Fuck.
Okay, you guys know how we do it. This is the what? Savannah
This is the Savannah Unapologetic Comedy Vlog.
Yeah,
Again.
that's exactly. That's what it is.
And we got some guy. What's up, bro?
What up, bro? Away.
I
So
got
uncle,
my peoples here.
uncle.
How do you like it? Keep it nice and stereotypical with the color jokes.
Zane.
You're supposed to ask if you're armed right now or something.
Whoa.
Yeah, I have a knife,
Dog.
a butter knife.
You have a what now?
A butter knife.
Where's the bread?
Guys, I hate that it had to be me,
Nice
man.
and close there.
I hate it had to be. I don't want to do this. I
I would lie. I'm gonna give I don't really give a PSA before.
Like, we just want to say we apologize because we love you so much, but
The sweetest.
we absolutely
Just the absolute
we
sweetest.
think you're so cool, but wow!
Cutest team.
Wow!
And look,
Wow!
the streets are cold.
Buddy, this one's the one from Shrek with that cat. Puss in Boots.
Unfortunately, the streets are cold.
What is this Puss in Boots?
You know, guys, this can also be a weapon. Like, look at how it looks inside.
What
Yeah,
what material is this one?
I'm guessing Captain Jack Sparrow took this picture.
Juliet, stop at thy games and pop at thy pussy for thy people.
Are you ready, kids?
What happened to you the other day? So, like, you tried to be deep and someone was like, what?
Please just focus on the jokes.
So how did you focus?
What? Please don't know.
You're trying to be deep, you're not teaching some real deep shit.
Every day I try to like inspire
Yeah, like
people.
guys be inspired, transpire.
I say
and
something,
transcend.
the
And someone said,
aspire to
transpire.
inspire before you expire.
Buddy, stop, nigga.
I try to come through with people and like uplift the people like Where are the jokes?
Nigga.
Where are the jokes? Well, yesterday, he's like the problem. He was also complaining. That's what brought this whole thing up. He one tweeted R.I.P. Sis Lindy, and someone retweeted, I don't get it. That's not fair, man. When you chill with your boys, they all expect you to be funny.
Yeah, say something funny, dog.
Here comes Jesus! The Jesus! They say, make us laugh, right?
Make us laugh.
Make us laugh. That's just, where do you start when you say make us laugh? Then I say laugh, bruh. How can has to be?
You can't
get killed if it's in a hostage situation. You know when they kidnapped that singer?
No, not him.
Fussing over.
Yeah,
Vusinova.
They kidnapped him. He sang. He sang his way out of the situation.
That thing was terrible. Like going back to that.
And they asked the news reporter, said,
do you still have your voice, Vusi?
You know the new drug now, Flakka.
Oh boy.
We are. The one that makes people like zombies.
Have you seen someone on Flakka before?
Yeah, my grandmother's on Flakka.
Whoa! Get out. Fuck.
I know.
Wow.
I'm glad I'm only seeing you this week.
Oh, that's not nice.
The Comedy Central roast of Bonang Mateba.
Give him. Okay.
I would pay money.
What about Kingdom Forbes?
Even AK, but it has to be Bonang. That's the next person that has to get roasted. It has to be Bonang. It's just
Look at you. You're like you're salivating. Just
I just have to be Bonang.
you know who I would like? You know what?
I would do the whole thing as Bonang.
I'd love to do Kune. Any day. Oh, I'd enjoy that too much.
I would like to do Fundi Vunda.
Who's it?
Generations crazy.
Paga's a personal quarrel. About generations and how I was taking
I'll
it.
never know what happened to Dineo Mashaba. Because the generations just ended.
I know. I can give you a number.
Comedy Central, to get it together, Comedy Central roast of Bonang. Call me. I'm gonna do the entire roast as Bonang while Bonang is standing there.
Oh my god.
People would pay money.
I don't think she'll ever do a roast. I don't think she doesn't.
Nah.
She doesn't have the temperament
Doesn't
for
seem
it.
like a-
But
Yeah.
one day, maybe.
Who'd you put on my panel?
The Comedy Central roast of, I'd get a few guys from the reps. Let's see what I get.
I think you'd rock me. Yo, I think I'll never.
no one can rock you better than your friends. Nobody.
Yeah, I mean,
Tato.
They know things. They know the things.
Tato.
I think you'll.
I just put a panel there of people that know you best. All your friends. I put them out there.
I've never
I
woke
go
up
from
with
your past a little bit. and pull out,
Potatoes. I'd put Jordan.
What? He's three.
He's gonna.
Imagine Jonathan asked for juice. Daddy, I want some juice.
I'd put your exes.
Spagabisa with the heat. You're right. You gotta get a couple of exes.
him right now.
Couple of exes.
I know
couple
one
guys
ex that would rock my spirit. I would never be the same.
And,
You know, I know,
and the last one. I know the last one. I'd put Alessio.
He's not even. Damn, nigga. Who are you? God damn.
You know, drugs is dangerous. If you drink, if you have a job, if you're sweeping the road, whatever you do in order to get your money, do it clean. I respect you for that. Do it clean. Drugs is so bad. I went to a barber shop in Stateless Street just to cut my hair. I mean, just look at my hair. Cameraman. My trim goes so, this guy trims it in the back.
I top of copy fade.
This guy was so high, paranoid. He cut my hair and multitask at the same time.
It's not so bob, it's also extra.
Doe je erin de kat, man. Zet stil alsjeblieft, zet stil. Do you know what, bruh? If you didn't sit still, do you know your drum is wrong? I asked the guy, now where's the mother? He said you must go look at the house. That means there will be any refunds.
You're gonna rate it via?
The wow factor. Oh my wows.
Oh wow!
Wowsy wowsy.
I'm gonna rate the what was it? The performance.
The performance,
Yes, yeah, stage.
Yeah. The stage, huh?
And you?
Sipo, you gonna rate it?
What is the joke ability?
Yeah,
Joke ability.
It can be boiled down to joke ability.
Yes.
What I believe it is.
Yeah, I like the way you moved around stage, man. I like the way you move on stage, you know.
Like how flexible it is.
Yeah, you're very left, right,
Nimble.
up,
Very,
down,
very
you know. Yeah, you're a mover, man. You're a shaker. I think I hate it sometimes when people are just like this and like, hey, you're like here.
Yeah, you are everywhere.
I take it. I fuck with it. I vibe with it.
Yeah, no. You.
Welcome with your Cape Town.
But I will voice you, bro.
Bro. Oh shit.
Thank you, Lani.
I will voice you. Nine. The comedy, what? It was nine, no? The legs were there.
That's my.
Yeah, shut up.
Whoa, hey. What do you mean? Literally.
I liked you more there, ne?
Then what?
But yeah, I think you could have. Yeah, I think more on stage. You must stick, but stage, yeah, you know.
What are you saying? What are you actually
So what,
saying?
yeah, what are you
What I'm
implying?
saying, you're really a stand-up comedian.
No ways! Are you kidding me?
So for the whole time that I was sitting there,
That's the best thing you said in 55 minutes.
Like, it's really, there's a part that
You
he
need to
was
get a
even-
quote from Spaga.
No, but for real,
You
there's
should be a
a,
new ghostwriter, bro.
there's a part that he's even dancing there. It's like he's versatile, no? But don't sit down, bro.
Whatever you do, don't take it fucking serious.
Don't sit down.
Okay, let's go. Dark skin beauty.
Jesus Christ.
Sure, okay.
Okay,
You know, underscore producer, all the
Yeah.
way from in the Eastern Cape. All the way from in the Eastern Cape.
No, she's
Okay.
from Joburg. She's from Joburg.
Brown like Hennessy. Here we now.
Is Hennessy brown?
Color me blue.
Oh, she's gorgeous as girl. But what shoes is yet on? No, go back.
Liga fella, mun.
Yeah, no, she's
Tall
Yeah, she
boy.
is, bro.
tall, boy, T.
That's
And she's mad cool people. Saying
Yeah,
like,
and this is a natural beauty on. You don't see
Yeah.
this. Oh, but not. Oh, yeah.
I made eye contact with her in the club. She's tall.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah, when I don't. Yeah, hey. Where
She's
you
on the
looking?
couch and she's like, whoa.
I did this. Yeah, no.
Yo, boy, yeah, she shut it down, bro. This African one, yeah. I'm talking about the other.
Ijama. Guys, my page.
Whoa, guys,
Banise.
whoa.
Guys.
You're butchering it.
Bro, man.
Yes, this sounds like a radio that's making in my ear. Man. I don't understand anything that you are saying here. Zama, Zinza. I don't understand, bro. But
I think we should bring the picture back.
I'm done. Good. Yo, my crib was. Yo, my crib was. This is great. Are you kidding?
Nah, nigga, go put it on the
Whoa.
picture. Don't be that guy. We are
how
here.
much is beauty?
Yo! Yay! My crib boys, episode 1.
Yes, that's me.
Hey, wait, now click a more.
Your bikini.
Nkosi Yama.
Holding all the cards and niggas wanna play chess now. Hey!
What
Right.
card?
Drake has been giving the girls the captions for a long time.
Yeah, there's a pose. There it is.
Do that on my ticket time.
One more.
I'm getting out of here.
One more.
Is it?
Yo, we out of this bitch. Catch you guys next week. What's up?
I don't know how to speak Afrikaans, bro.
Yeah, bro, this chair is broken.
Oh snap, it's almost my birthday. It's almost my birthday.
Savannah Unapologetic Comedy Vlog happening on the 20th of May at Soweto Theatre. We got Wasim Stanin.
Do you have directions to that place?
Said,
bro?
yeah, what you do is you go to Soweto and then come.
Soweto is big. You can't say go to Soweto. Soweto is big, bruh. So guess what, guys? The 20th, get me by the Soweto Theatre Savannah newcomer comic awards. English, give me a heartburn. I don't speak English at all. So I'm in Joburg and I'm speaking English now. Facebook, you can get me on Facebook, Wazim News. On YouTube, Wazim News. On Instagram, Uncle_Zimo. And then I also have my own Facebook page. It's a Zimo the Comedian. There's a lot of girls. Big girls. I don't do skinny girls. I do big girls. Away, peace out. Peace, dog. Asua. Kangaka.
Kangaka, brother.
Away. Away.
She gon' come to my shows, and that is game over. Cause she gon' be on blast when she lands and she knows it. She gon' be on blast when she lands and she knows it. She gon' be on blast with the finest asses. She gon' be on blast when she lands and she knows it. She gon' be on blast when she lands and she knows it. She gon' be on